Alright. So first, I'll state your name
Fatima
and your
Davis,
age.
35.
Alright, so before we start, none of these questions have anything to do against you. It's strictly for knowledge purposes. So the first question is, have you ever lied about loving someone?
Yep.
And what was your reason?
Money.
Alright, that kind of answered the second question, but have you ever finessed somebody for time, money, or effort or materialistic things?
Yep.
And what did you finesse them for? And what was your reason?
What I did?
Why did you finesse them, and what was your reason?
Fun.
Mm. Question number 3: have you ever cheated while in a relationship?
Yep.
And what was your reason for cheating?
Mm, because most females look for like, how can I put this? Most females look for affection and passion. And if that dude ain't got it, she gonna go to the next dude to look for it.
Yeah. Number 4: have you ever cheated with someone in a relationship?
Yep.
And what was your reason for doing that?
Mm, I don't know. Fun.
Mm. Number 5: how do you feel about guys that aren't motivated?
Leeches. Trash. Trifling.
Alright. Number 6: what are your requirements in a partner?
Mm, stability. Love, passion, affection.
And mentality wise? Like you're like a goofy dude, a serious dude?
Down to earth.
Alright. And number 7: what is your type when it comes to men?
I don't have no type. If that person have a good heart and his head on right and his heart in the right spot, then
Most girls normally mention hygiene and
oh well, I ain't know you talking
body
about that, but
shapes.
yeah, but like well, hygiene. He have to be really really clean.
Yeah.
Haircut, no facial hair,
Oh, no.
none of that. And he gotta know how to dress, smell good. He gotta be a clean person because I'm OCD, so he gotta be clean too.
Yeah. Number 8: do you know about imprints?
Implants,
Yeah.
like what on paper?
Now, there's two types of imprints. For most females who are raised with a father, their father becomes their imprint, or the type of guy that they look for in that their partner. And there's also the vaginal imprint, and that could be like the guy who gave you your first orgasm or your first love type of guy. But he's normally the type of guy that you go for based off of that. Like, even though he's not the same guy who you first fell in love with, he's similar to him or similar to your dad.
Well, I ain't have no daddy growing up, so I had to learn the hard way. That's why I played a lot.
So, who would you consider your first love?
I don't want to say his name.
You don't have to, but that guy that you're thinking about right now, do most of the guys you date remind you of him in some type of way, whether it be looks or mentality?
No.
Yeah. Well, so most females don't have imprints, but most of them do. It's like a 50-50. 9: would you cheat on a provider?
No.
And why are your reasons for not cheating on a provider?
Because he providing. Yeah, you don't want to
Yeah,
mess
he
that
could
up.
be providing, but like you say, he could not be giving you that. I'm trying to think of the word you use. That passion, I think.
Yeah, passion, affection.
Yeah, if he's not giving you that passion, but he's providing.
Yeah, it's different because my husband have everything, so he have all that. So
Number 10: how do you feel about guys who watch porn?
nothing. I watch porn too.
Uh,
Shit, I'm just saying though.
yeah, but in my experiences, like most guys who watch porn are unmotivated dudes. Cause like it's the dudes like them that will see a girl they like and don't approach her or stay at home with their mom buku long. So like that's my experience. Most dudes who watch porn, like they just not motivated up in the head.
Oh, well, my husband don't watch porn.
Is he a motivated man?
Huh?
Is he a motivated man?
Yeah.
That's my point exactly. But number 11. Do you know the difference between a male and female friend zone?
Yep.
And what would you say the female friend zone is?
Female friend zone is not having sex, none of that intimate stuff.
But so what would you say the male friend zone is?
Well, most men say a man friend zone is just fucking when they get ready to fuck.
But never giving them a relationship. Uh, yeah, that's pretty much it though. Number 12. What are your turn-offs in a party?
Dirtiness, no motivation, no hustle, no get up about itself. Don't take no bath.
Number 13. Do you like yes men?
Who?
Yes men.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
Who is
Dudes-
that?
Dudes with no backbone, like pushovers type dudes.
Dudes with no backbone.
Yeah.
Don't talk to me.
So number 14 is, do you like more like confident, put you in check type dude?
Depends on what the situation is.
But that or the yes man, like which one would you prefer?
I don't know.
The reason why I asked that is most females prefer a dude that can put them in check rather than a dude that'll let them walk over. So that was my reason for 13 and 14. So number 15 is, are you dating with a purpose?
Dating with I'm married.
So would you say you dating with a purpose or not? Because some people are married and don't fool with their husband like talk about.
I don't know. It just is.
Do you think he the one?
Yeah.
And how long before you met your husband was you looking for the one?
Well, I was by myself for 4 years, then I met my husband.
So like you were probably like what age? Like what age were you before you met your husband? 4 years before you met him.
My early 30s.
Yeah, that's when most women hit their prime, and most women don't take relationships serious till after their prime.
Mhm.
Yeah. But thank you for the interview.
Okay.
All right.